I played dominoes as a kid, obviously, like most of us have, but this little set is completely new to me. Obviously, you do have the dominoes, but they're in a different kind of configuration, as you can see by those numbers here, those dots. I love the fact that this is a full setup that you can start playing with your friends right away. And what I mean by right away is they even give you the scorecard, the instructions how to play Mexican Train Domino. Look at all the dominoes that are included in the set. As you can see, all different, all super cool. And you've got the 4 holders as well. I'm not gonna take all the 4 holders out, but this is what a holder is. Basically organizes your dominoes for yourself and kind of like makes it a little bit more private so the opponents cannot see what you're doing. And they also have this thing, which is how you play that Mexican Train domino game. And obviously you've got 8 players or 8 slots available in here, and your mid domino in the middle. And they also give you those really cute trains for each player that is playing. I think the fact that all of this comes in one setup, in one package, and really nicely kind of like organized inside a carrying case, I think is a really neat idea, and definitely is going to be a domino time around here for sure.